This stunning waterfront villa boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and nearly 2,300 square feet, plus a 3-car garage, and so much more. Custom built-ins, dramatic ceiling, and an extensive trim package all add a touch of luxury throughout the home. Entering the home, you'll gaze upon the gorgeous view of the water. The entry area features ceramic tile floors and leads into the great room. The great room is ready to entertain with a gas fireplace, built-in bookshelves, and a built-in entertainment center. This bright and open space will be an asset to any large gathering. Adjacent to the great room is a nice-sized formal dining room with even more beautiful features such as large columns and a tray ceiling. The kitchen is furnished with great counter and cabinet space, pull-out drawers in the pantry, glass tile backsplash, a breakfast bar and dining area, and of course, wonderful views of the backyard and pond. The master suite is a spacious retreat with a double tray ceiling and a bathroom that includes a double vanity, garden tub, separate shower, and a massive closet with built-in storage. The other bedrooms are also quite spacious, and one could even be used as a den or office. The backyard offers picturesque views of the water and a patio that will be the perfect place to kick your feet back and enjoy a cold drink and watch the sunset. Don't miss out on this phenomenal home, bursting with custom features and beaming with natural light. Call Beth Watkins to see it today.